Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Quorn curry. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh vegetables and your preferred curry paste. Next, prepare the Quorn pieces and any other components. Then, we'll move on to cooking the sauce, combining everything for a delicious, easy meal. This guide will walk you through each step simply, helping you create a satisfying dish in no time. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you have all your ingredients at hand. You'll need 1 package of Quorn pieces, 1 can of creamy coconut milk, and your favorite curry paste for that essential flavor. Don't forget fresh vegetables like a chopped onion, colorful bell peppers, and a handful of spinach. Also, gather your spices, perhaps a teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander. This preparation makes cooking smooth. Now, let's get cooking. In a large pan, sauté your chopped onions and minced garlic over medium heat until they become fragrant and soft. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of your curry paste, cooking it for just 1 minute to release its aromas. Then, stir in the Quorn pieces and your prepared vegetables. Finally, pour in the coconut milk, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. This builds the base of your delicious curry. To finish your delightful Quorn curry, let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures the Quorn is heated through, while your vegetables become perfectly tender. Before serving, consider garnishing with some fresh cilantro or a bright squeeze of lime juice for an extra zing. Serve your hot, aromatic curry with fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.